Hey guys, so today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my one bedroom basement, which is a separate entrance. So we finally finished the furnishing. So as soon as you walk into the house, this is the stairs.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance.
So this is the kitchen, all right? And we've got this fridge, which is empty. There's nothing inside. Yeah, I haven't really removed the nylons and stuff. So we have this Samsung fridge here, and then that's the microwave, and this is an electric cooker and the oven. And I've put some kettle. I think I added some spoons here, and some other stuffs in there. And this is the living room. If I just move backward a bit, this is the living room at a glance. So we did a very minimal furnishing because we want whoever is going to be here to also be able to, add one or two things of their own. So anyways, this is the couch. That is a three-seater. This is a three-seater couch that I got, and that's a 65-inch TV. I think yesterday I connected it to the internet, but whoever that's going to be here would have to actually get their own internet. And I just added that for staging. This dining is just going to be for two, or you're going to have to eat on your couch. And I left this wall like this because who knows, maybe whoever is getting this place would want to do their own thing, like make it very homely. So we have those two throw pillows. That tray is just for staging, is mine. And then I've added this two side tables, in case someone wants to eat and the dining is not enough. I put this rug here just for, I don't know, so that it doesn't look too empty. And that artwork over there is what I used to have in my studio before, and I got another one, so I put it there. I really love that butterfly. So anyways, I think you can actually watch. So this is the TV right here. So over here we've got the laundry room, which put on the lights. This is the dryer. We've got this Samsung dryer, and that is the washer. So it's actually inbuilt. You don't have to step outside to wash or something like that. So if not for this, that would have been a very good space for office. So yeah, close that a bit. And if I move towards the bedroom, this is the living room at a glance. Okay, it's quite spacious, to be honest. It's very spacious. It's about 800 square feet. So, and here is the washroom. And that's me, that's me, that's me, that's me, your vlogger. So it's just basic bathroom. This curtain will, I think my husband, so yeah, this is it at a glance. And yeah, shower, and a very nice bathtub. This is the shower curtain so that water would not splash. I added this nice little fake plant here just to make it look homely, and this for cream, soap, whatever you want to add there. If if needed. The beauty about this place is that you have your own heat control, so you can increase the temp because one thing about basements that is always like it's much more colder compared to like the main house. So having this separate heating system is a very good thing because you get to control the temperature, you can increase the heating and all of that, and I think this is just a plus. So to the bedroom, well, my husband said just put a mattress and leave it like that so that the person would, you know, get their own beddings and everything. So I've put a mattress cover. I just got this one from Amazon. This bed, we bought it from the bricks, and the mattress as well from the bricks, all brand new. Actually, that I used to, because the wardrobe here is really small, so I added this just for extra storage if it's needed. This is the only wardrobe in the house, so it's not, well, it's just like the normal standard wardrobe, to be honest, in Canada, but I feel like it's really small, and that's why I asked them to, that's why I had to bring that particular one. This is a queen size bed. Don't worry, no one has slept here before. It's a queen size bed. Everything in here apart from that is brand new. Okay, and that window I'm going to get a blind just to put there in that way, so it's not too bright, especially if someone is trying to wake up. But aside that, I don't think there's anything I'm going to add here. So yep, this is the bedroom at a glance. Just left it. I could have done a better staging with this anyway, like put some duvet and all of that, but I think my husband made a great point leaving it this way. So yeah, this is the house. This is the basement. I'll try and put some before and after photos.
My house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun goes.
You see what it was like before, but one thing again that I like about this house is the lighting. Okay, we're so generous. We didn't think, oh, this person will just use light bill and finish us. There is that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 7, 8 lights alone in the living room. 8. That was I barely see this amount of lights in the Canadian house, how much more a basement. So yeah, this is it. I did this video before. I was saying I wasn't sure if I wanted to use this place for Airbnb or for short rental, but now we know because everything is ready, so we're able to decide, and I've decided to put it up for rent instead of Airbnb. And secondly, when we're moving here, it was so difficult for us to find a landlord that was going to give us accommodation. That's because moving here as a permanent resident and you don't have a job, most people don't want to even, they don't want to deal with that because they are not sure how you're going to pay your rent and all of that. And most of the accommodation we got was like you have to pay 6 months upfront, and even at that, only generous landlords will let you, who is just coming in for the, like you're just coming into the country, you don't have a job, get the accommodation. So because of that, myself and my husband decided that we're going to put this place up for rent, and it would also be open to people who are just moving in. Also, we have also added a clause to that because it's a valid point. If the person doesn't have a job, how are they going to pay? So we'll be taking like 3 months upfront, not 6 months, and that should be like enough time for the person to find a job and then give void checks and all of that. It's also going to be like a short-term rental. Anyways, if you're interested in the house, my email address is in the description, and in the comment down below you can write us. There are a few rules to it, which I think I'll just pin it down in this comment because I'm not sure who needs to see it. As for rent, very important. This place, because in my area, this one bedroom basement is 1.5 per month, Canadian dollars. So we've decided that since it's furnished, we just add $100 and make it 1.6. I know around here it's like 1.8 and all of that, but we decided to just leave it at 1.6. Also considering the fact that if we're looking at new immigrants that are coming in, we're going to be taking more than 1 month's rent. And another thing is there is I'll just leave all the details of the house in the comment section. I'm going to pin it down, so if you want to read about all the terms and all of that, it's not, smoking is not allowed, so all those things and more detailed information will be in the description box below. So let's see who's going to be my next door neighbor or be my, actually you get to be your own. If money was standard and we didn't need the money, I would actually just be here, because it's so quiet, you know, the kids are upstairs and this place is just quiet. And I like those cabinets. It's just enough space up and down for pots, plates, and different storage. I try to add as much as I can, bring that kettle over there. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. The tour is over. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.